Proceeding further, we come to question number 9. In question 9, it is given to you that A 112, B 235 and C 155 are vertices of triangle. What do you have to find? You have to find the area of triangle. The best thing is you find vector along two sides. I am finding vector BC and vector BA. If you want, you can find vector CA and CB. If you want, you can find vector AB and AC. Keep one point common and that common point will be the initial point. मैं BA और BC फाइंड कर रहा हूँ. इसमें BA स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम B हो रहा है, BC स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम B हो रहा है. ओके अगर आपको C को फिक्स रखना है तो आपके दो वेक्टर्स CA CB आएंगे. अगर आपको A को फिक्स रखना है तो आपके वेक्टर्स AB AC आएंगे. ओके वेक्टर BC. वेक्टर BC गिव्स यू C 155 minus B 235. This gives you 1 minus 2 minus I, 5 minus 3 plus 2J and 5 minus 5 cancel. This is vector BC. Similarly, I find vector BA. BA gives you A minus B, 1 minus 2 you get minus I, 1 minus 3 you get minus 2J and 2 minus 5 this gives you minus 3K. Next is find their cross product. This is I J K minus 1 2 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Find the cross product. Cross products lead to I 2 into minus 3 minus 6 and minus 2 into 0 0 means minus 6I. Minus J लेंगे. Minus 1 into minus 3 gives you plus 3 and minus 1 into 0 0. So this is plus 3 and J its sign will be negative. So minus 3J. Okay. And taking K minus 1 into minus 2 did gives you plus 2. Minus 1 2 gives you minus 2. We take it as negative. So minus minus plus. So this is 2 and this is 2. 2 plus 2 4K. This is your vector BC cross BA. Area of triangle, it will be mod of BC cross BA. This will be determinant, this will be under root minus 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. 36 plus 9 45 plus 16. Okay, that gives you under root of 61. That gives you under root of 61. One important thing what you have to mention is square units. This is the most important word because you are finding the area of triangle. Okay, so under root of 61 square units will be the answer. Proceeding further, we come to the 10th question. In 10th question, what is given to you? It is given to you that you have to find the area of triangle whose adjacent sides are determined by vectors. आपको adjacent side दिया है. Vector A is I minus J plus 3K and vector B आपको दिया है 2I minus 7J plus K. Two vectors are given to you A and B and these vectors are along the adjacent sides of parallelogram. So find the cross product. Vector A cross B, this is I J K. 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7 1. This is minus 1 into 1 gives you minus 1 and minus 7 into 3 gives you minus 21. लेकिन नेगेटिव करेंगे तो प्लस 21 आ जाएगा. Means you get 20I. 20I. 1 into 1 1 minus 6. So you get minus 5. J is negative. So plus 5J. 1 minus 6 minus 5. And J will be taken as negative. So negative negative positive. 1 into minus 7 minus 7 plus 2 means minus 5. Minus 5K. This is A cross B. Area of parallelogram. This is under root of 20 square, which is 400, plus 25 plus 25. This is nothing but under root of 450. Okay, this is nothing but under root of 450. Now 450 means it is 9 into 50, you can say. Okay, 9 into 50, again 50. What is 50? It is 2 into 25. Okay, or better, this is 225 into 2. 225 into 2. Under root of 225 is 15. So you get 15 root 2 square units. Again, the most important thing is square units. You have to give the word square unit because you are finding the area. Okay, quite easy problems. Please note it down.